You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sham, what's your answer? Sham?
Sir, I didn't get it. That was the previous.
Okay, okay. So, okay, Srinidhi, tell me your answer.
So, C is 3 and 2, right?
Srinidhi, your voice has changed.
No, sir, C is 3 and 2, I'm asking.
C is 3 and 2, yes. Yes, Srinidhi.
So 5 units square or 5 centimeters square is the area.
Correct. So, centimeter you don't have to write. You have to write square unit. Unit you
Okay,
don't. It
sir.
can be
I
centimeter.
have written unit square only,
Yeah,
but
okay,
then
yeah.
since graph is in centimeter.
No, it's not in centimeter. It's just a unit.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
No,
So,
I'm doing an actual graph, that's why.
good. That's why. I mean, that's why I wanted to tell others also. You are supposed to do it in graph. Most of you, I know, you are doing it on a notebook, but you are supposed to do all these questions in graph paper, so that you know how to point, plot a point.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Ayush.
Sir, A and C are in the same quadrant, sir.
A and C are yes in the same quadrant.
Okay.
Can you please repeat the answer? I didn't hear it.
5 unit square.
Thank you, sir.
Others, did you get 5 unit?
No, sir.
Sir, okay. Okay, let me then solve. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Let's plot A point, 1 and 4. Somewhere here, B point, minus 2, 2, minus 2 and 2. Somewhere here, this is A point, 1, 4, B point, minus 2, 2, C point, 3 and 2. 3 and 2. C point, 3 and 2. Correct? Any doubt in plotting these points?
No,
No?
sir.
Join this one, sorry. Message डाल दो. It is not going. So I will join these points. Okay. Now, what is area of a triangle? Area of triangle is half base into height. What is base here? BC. This is base. And this will be A, perpendicular AE will be height. We can write half BC into AE. What is BC? This is 3 and this is 2. So basis BC is 5. What is AE? AE, can you write it as this minus this? This height minus this height. So
Could you repeat, please, sir?
this height is what? 4. And this height is what? 2. So what is AE? 2. So we write A is to 5 unit square. Unit square, square unit, square unit. Understood? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm sending you RS Agarwal PDF on your WhatsApp. Please quickly finish this.
So now only.
Ah, very easy questions. Is there anything tough in this? Did you find anything tough?
So I got a little confused, like that marking the C point, and then I understood. Sir.
What is the confusion?
No, sir, I marked it in the wrong plane,
So that if you do
wrong quadrant.
sent, received. So all the questions, if you'll see here in the PDF, the first main is on the plane of a graph paper, draw x dash o x and y o y dash as coordinate axis and plot each of the following points. So what you have to do? You have to do it in a graph paper, not on the notebook. On a graph paper, please plot these points. First main is that. Second main is write down the coordinates of each of the following points, A, B, C, D. Points are given, you have to write it, their coordinates. Third main is in which quadrant these points lies. That also you know. Write the axis on which of the following point. If I say, let's suppose I'm giving you a question which I actually did. If I say y is equals to 0 means what? Raise your hand. Y equals to 0 means
There is no like it
So
is
the
not the
point
same
lies
line.
on
It is on the
x-axis.
y-axis only.
wow. How come, Tarun, when I'm saying y axis is 0 means what?
Means like it is zero. It is no value. It's like the starting point itself.
Any other answer?
So y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. It means the point lies on x-axis.
X-axis, yes. If I
Yes, in
say
that.
y equals to 0, Tarun,
So I thought you were asking like why y is equal to zero. Like why? So I didn't
I'm asking
got the question.
y is equal to 0 means what? If I say y is equals to 0, means it is x-axis. So what is, Tarun, what is the uh, equation of y-axis?
X equal to 0.
Yes, s equals to 0 is the equation of y-axis. So fifth main, again, if you see fourth main, write the axis on each of the following points. That you can do. Which of the following points lie on x-axis? That also you can find it out. And sixth and seventh question is the area question, which I taught you. Can you guys start doing it fast? Everyone has this PDF? Ashita, are you there?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, that x o x and y o y. Sorry, sir, I could not hear. Can you tell once again about that x o x and y o y? Sir?
That
That first,
means,
yeah.
I'm telling you. We draw it, we say x and this x dash, y
Yeah,
and y dash.
yeah,
Got it?
yes. Okay.
Ashita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you switch on your camera? Ashita, have you switched on your camera?
Sir,
Yes, Nitin.
sir, I can't find my graph notebook, sir. So can I write it in the
It's
notebook for now?
by
I'll write it later.
that time you can solve those questions which does not require graph paper.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ashita, can you switch on your camera?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I'm giving you one question. I want you to solve it.
Okay, sir.
This question, can you see this question?
Yes, sir.
Can you please solve me and give me the answer? A and B. Kaushal,
Sir.
switch on your camera. I'm giving you one question, Kaushal. I want you to solve. I'll give everyone like this one question. It's a revision question.
So what's the question?
I'm giving you. I'm giving you. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Kaushal, this question is for you. This. Next one is Ritvik. Subhaji, Ritvik, open your camera.
Yes, sir. Sir, you'll give me questions. So can
Yeah,
I
I'll
go and
give
get
you.
a book? Can I go get a book?
The book, why? You already have your book, no, with you now.
No, now I'm having my graph notebook. So
Okay, okay.
yes, sir.
So should I say the answer?
You send the answer on my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. So I'll send it in chat.
Whatever is okay for you. You have to communicate your answer to me. You know, solution also I want to see. Just send us. Send on my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your question. Ritvik. Open your camera.
Okay, yeah. So am I visible and audible?
Yeah, visible.
So the
This is your question.
5 plus 2 under root 3,
Yes.
that one. Okay.
You have to find the value of A.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik.
Okay.
Sir, I said.
Okay, just let me check. What happened, Ashita?
So one second, it will. So can I close?
You can close now. Anyway, don't close. Keep it open. Keep it open. Kaushal,
So done.
done. Send it.
Sir,
Open your camera.
sir.
Open your camera. Kaushal, in the retest you have done very well, and I really appreciate. I want this performance to be continued, and I hope Whatever you are doing it with proper concept and understanding you're solving. Kaushal,
Yes, sir.
please continue. You have got 25 and
So
a
how
half
much I got, sir?
out of 30. I'm sending you the answer sheet. Okay, Kaushal? Send.
Yes, sir.
Ashita, good. That's the correct solution. Again, I'm very happy with your test marks, and that also for the very first time. How much you have scored, you know?
Sir?
How much you have scored in your retest? Any idea? After taking the exam, at least you'll get some idea. Okay, by this marks you will score it. What's your expectation? You got 30 on 30. Good. Keep it up. And I want this to be maintained for the test on this weekend. Okay? I'm sharing your answer sheet. What happened, Ritvik?
Yes, sir. One
Should I switch off
2 minutes,
that
sir.
Yeah,
camera?
switch off. Yeah, switch off the camera.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
in the second main for finding the like finding E, sir, second main, sir, in that one value is given like -3 and -4 in between that. So can you write -3.5?
Where in E it is given in between?
No,
It
no.
is
In second main, they've asked us to find the coordinates of A, B, C, D, E.
E. So yes, E is where it's not in between. It's -1 and -4.
It looks like it's above. That's all.
No. It's -1, -4.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone facing any problem in uh, understanding, I mean, in solving this exercise?
Sir, can you show the quadrants again, sir? Like which is first, which is second, which is third, and fourth?
Why, Vidyut?
No, sir. Like I'm getting confused. I know which one is, but I'm confused. Which one is first?
You raise your right hand top. You raise your right hand. That is your first quadrant. You raise your left
Okay.
hand. That is your second quadrant.
Second.
You put your
Yeah.
left hand down. That is third quadrant. You put your right hand down. That is fourth quadrant. Now you remember?
Thank you, sir.
Pardon?
Yes.
Sir, I finished. Can I take a
Please
pic and
send.
send you?
Yeah, please. Done, everyone? All the 7 questions? I know it won't be, I'm just
No,
asking.
sir, I'm in second main. I'm second.
No problem. This remaining question, you finish it as homework. Okay. And how is your preparation for this chapters which I've
So I
given
sent
you?
it to you.
Okay, I'll see. I'm not received yet. Yes, just now received. Let me check.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello. You can't hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you now, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
there's one question. It's written -3, 0.
Yes, -3, 0. Correct. Tell me what
So
will be
what can we do, sir?
which point? Tell me which point. Ritvik, your answer is correct. Good. You have scored.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to still improve, but you have scored good. But you are then have to improve. Okay, I'm sending you your answer sheet. Okay, I'm expecting
Yes, sir.
more marks.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Kaushal, you have to. It's 0. -3, 0 means where? 0 means y. 0 means y coordinate. -3 is
X coordinate. Sir, I understood.
-3 and 0. So point is here. Got it?
Second. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So your voice is breaking now and then, sir.
Yeah. So it's almost done only. So finish this exercise and then anything another book I will give few more questions on this chapter. But please do on graph paper, not on your notebook.
Sir, but we don't have graph sheets.
तो गड़बड़ है.
I have last year's.
हाँ तो graph sheet remains same. Whether last year this year I used. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ritu.
My answer sheet, or did you send it?
I'm sending you. I'm just after this class. I'll
Okay.
send you.
Okay, sir.
On Saturday you have test, maths test, right? Please prepare well. This
Sir,
time
timing?
3 to 4.
Okay,
3
sir.
to 4. Please prepare well because this time I will flash result.
So at this time it is like on the app itself, right?
No, see, when we will talk about objective test, you have to take on app or on webs. When we talk about subjective test, you have to take on Zoom, the written one.
So
Which
this is subjective.
This will be maths will be subjective test.
Okay, sir.
Okay, today you have science test. Hope you remember. Between 4 to 5, you have to take your science test.
So are you sending everyone's paper?
Yes, Sanjana, I'll send I have checked everything. I'm sending it. You will be
Sir.
excited to know what is your marks, isn't it, Sanjana?
So,
Yeah, I'll send it now.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, like for this maths test, sir, we have to prepare from even factorization also, I think included, right? Factorization also, right?
Anyone can answer, Vidyut?
No, sir. You told polynomials, like that. So polynomials, factors in different chapter, right?
Anna, you have done very well.
Yes.
Okay. And I want you to continue this.
yes, sir.
Somebody answered you, Vidyut? Vidyut.
Yes, sir.
Did you get your answer?
Yes.
What? What is the portion then?
Sir, all like factorization, polynomials, everything.
Then you don't know. Vidyut, do you write it? When I ask you to write, this is your
Yes, sir, I
portion,
wrote.
do you write it?
Yeah, I wrote.
So what you have written? Show me. On camera, you show me. Open your camera and show me what you have written. Open your camera.
2 minutes.
Okay. Let me put your full screen. Show me now. Can't hear you with it. Can't hear you with it.
Sorry. Test NCERT.
Open. Just pull it up.
Sir,
yes. Test NCERT till 2.4 and RS Agarwal
chapter 2.
Chapter 2. So
Okay,
does it include factorization?
No.
No.
No, because yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So please finish this one, and one more book I will give you on this.
Sir, I finished.
Finished. Very good. Graph paper or book?
The graph, I did the writing ones in the book and the graph ones in the graph.
Is it? Graph paper, you have done everything?
Yeah.
Very good. Good. Okay, so I'll ask ma'am to come and take signs. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.